Hi students, welcome to Mathematical Slideshow, Standard 7, Chapter number 4, Angles and Pairs of Angles, Part 1. Students, last year we have learned about different basic concept of geometry, how to make or draw different figures in a geometry. We learn about angles. Today we are going to learn about angles and pairs of angles. Now we are going to first introduction, that is basic concepts of angle. That is, we see here a figure of angle ABC. We first learn elements of that angle. First we write name of the angle, that is angle ABC or angle CBA or angle B. We use three letters name or one letters name for writing name of angle. From these three names, we use only one name for writing the name of angle. Three letters name, that is angle ABC. Next, which is the vertex of or arms of that angle? So, we write name of vertex. Vertex means when two rays extend from one common point called as vertex of angle, that is B. The vertex of angle ABC is a point B or vertex B. Name of vertex point B is a vertex of this angle ABC. Got it? Now we write name of arms. We write name of arms. Arms means bazu, bhuja, means when two rays start from a common point and extend different direction. This rays called as arms of that angle. So we write name of arms. First arm BA, arm or ray BA is arm of first arm of that angle, and second arm BC, that is ray BC is the second arm. Name of points marked on arm. When we write name of arm, there is a use point to see the name of that arm. So points of that arm, that is A and C, these 2 points are on the arms, each arm. So point A and point C. Got it? These are elements of angle ABC. Name of angle, angle ABC. Name of vertex, point B is the name vertex of that angle ABC. Name of arms, there are two arms BA and BC. So ray BA is one arm, ray BC is the second arm. And A and C, these 2 points on that arm. Got it? Now we learn about the interior and exterior of an angles. When we draw any figure, there we use a plane, because of we can't draw any figure without plane. Without plane. Plane means pratal, flat surface. Got it? So when we draw any figure of here figure of angle, and figure of angle occupy some place of plane, some place of plane. Got it? So we learn about interior. Interior portion is in the angle portion. Angle place is called as interior, and outer place is called as exterior. Got it? The interior and exterior of an angle means when angle occupy inner portion of a plane called as interior, and outer portion of a plane is called as exterior portion. Got it? Now we use some points which points come in interior and which points come in exterior. So we draw a point. First point, point L, point M, point T, point K, point N. These 5 points are in interior of angle. So points in the interior, we write the name of point L, point M, point T, point K and point N. These are points in the interior. Like this we draw points in the exterior. You see in the figure carefully which portion is exterior portion of angle. So we draw points in exterior. Point E, point F, point C, point D, point S. These points are in the exterior place of angle. Got it? So we write name of these points. Point E, point F, point C, point D and point S. These are exterior points. When we draw figure of angle, we take two rays, extend start from common points, that is called as vertex of angle. On this arm we draw different points because we know that ray is a group of or collection of points. So we take points on the arm. First we draw point V, point B, point X. These 3 points come on the arm of angle. These 3 points come on the arms of angle. So points on the arms of angle, that is points V, points B and point X. These 3 points are on the arms of angle. Got it? Observe figure carefully. Which points are interior points, which points are exterior points, which points are on the arms of angle. Observe carefully. Now we see examples of adjacent angle. In this angle, first angle PQR is a main angle. In this angle we draw QS is a common arm. Ray QS we draw in this angle PQR interior place. There are two different interior. There are convert into this ray QS convert first interior into two different interior angles. That is angle PQS is one angle and another angle SQR is a second angle. Look at the figure along angle in the figure alongside. Look at the angle in the figure alongside. The ray QS is a common arm of the angle PQS, common arm angle PQS and angle SQR. See carefully. In this figure, one proper angle PQR. In this interior portion, we draw ray QS, and this ray is a common ray of two different angles PQS and SQR. While Q is their common vertex, but in these two different angles, Q is a common vertex of these two different angles. One common arm and one common vertex, but these interiors are different. Interiors are different. See carefully. PQS interior portion and portion of interior SQR. This interior portion of these two angles are different, made by ray QS. Made by ray QS. QS न त्या दोन अँगलचे इंटेरियर पोर्शन वेगळे केलेले आहेत. बट QS इज अ कॉमन आर्म. But QS is a common arm these two different angles, and Q is a common vertex. Q is a common vertex. Got it? Understand carefully. When in the angle QS is a common arm and Q is a common vertex of these two different angles, but interiors are different. Interiors are different. These angles called as pairs called as adjacent angle. अशा प्रकारची जोडी मिळते ज्या अँगल मध्ये वन कॉमन आर्म बट कॉमन वर्टेक्स and interiors are different. Interiors are different. This pair called as adjacent angle. There are separate interiors of angle PQS and angle SQR formed by ray QS. QS ray मुळे angle PQS and angle SQR चे इंटेरियर सेपरेट झालेत, बट QS is a common arm. Focus on the common arm QS. Focus on it. Focus on it. So angle PQS and angle SQR are called as an adjacent angle. Got it? Now what is the adjacent angle? Two angles which have a common vertex. In above figure, Q is a common vertex, a common arm QS is a common arm, and separate interiors. These two angles interiors are remains separate are said to be adjacent angle. Are said to be adjacent angle. Means definition of adjacent angle: two angles which have a common vertex, a common arm and separate interiors. इन मराठी याला संलग्न कोण म्हणतात. संलग्न कोण म्हणजे ज्याच्यामध्ये एकच कॉमन भुजा म्हणजे आर्म, एकच कॉमन आर्म, एकच कॉमन वर्टेक्स शिरोबिंदू, मात्र त्यांचे इंटेरियर्स अंतर्भाग हे वेगळे केलेले असतात, वेगळे झालेले असतात, एकमेकाला चिटकूनच आहेत. जसं आपल्या घरामध्ये एक खोलीच्या दोन्ही खोलीच्या मध्ये एक भिंत असते, तसे त्या 2 खोल्या म्हणजे ॲडजस्टंट रूम्स झाल्या, ॲडजस्टंट रूम नाही का, संलग्न खोल्या झाल्या त्या पद्धतीनं अँगलमध्ये एकच आर्म कॉमन असेल, एकच बिंदू कॉमन असेल, शिरोबिंदू कॉमन असेल, त्या दोन परंतु त्यांचे अंतर्भाग वेगळे केलेले असतील एका आर्ममुळं अशा अँगलला ॲडजसंट पेअर अँगल किंवा ॲडजसंट अँगल म्हणतात, पेअर ऑफ ॲडजसंट अँगल. गॉट इट? वी सी some example. We write points, interior points and exterior points. See figure carefully. There is a figure of angle XYZ. In this figure some points are interior in the interior and some points are in the exterior. Some points are on the arms of angle XYZ. Now we write name of interior points in the interior. Point G, observe carefully. Point E, point K, point N, point S. These are in the interior points. Next, points in the exterior. Exterior means in the outer place. Point Q, point W, point P, point M, point H. These points are exterior points. Point Q, point M, point Q, point W, point P, point M and point H. These are exterior points. And points on arms, that is point V, point A, point B and point J. These are points on the arms of angle XYZ. Observe carefully. Now we write name of adjacent pairs, adjacent angles. Name the pairs of adjacent angles in the figure below. In the first figure there are figure of angles, different angles here: DKS, DKN, SKN or NKS. Pair means, adjacent pair means one arm is a common arm of two different angles. That is, first we see here SKD or DKS and DKN. In these two angles, KD is a common arm. So first pair, angle DKS and angle SKN. In these two angles, KS is a common arm. K is a common vertex. Next pair, angle DKS and angle DKN. DKS and DKN. Here DK is a common arm, K is a common vertex. Third pair, angle NKS and angle DKN. Here KN is a common arm, K is a common vertex. We see another figure. Here three angles: angle PDB, angle PDA, angle ABC. In this figure, PD is a common arm of angle BDP or PDB and angle PDA or ADP. So Here one pair angle PDB and angle PDA. Only one pair of adjacent angle here, because of B is not common vertex, D is a common vertex of angle PDB and PDA. So here only one figure in the of adjacent angle. Now we see another figure of angle. Name the pairs of adjacent angle in the figure below. First proper angle is XYZ. XYZ is the obtuse angle. In this interior we draw YM, YN, YL, YW. These are different arms of different angles. Using these arms, we write pair of adjacent angle. So first we take common arm YM. Using YM, we have write different pairs. That is, first pair angle XYM. Observe carefully. XYM, where is the angle XYM? YM is a common arm, that is we take another angle YMYZ. See carefully. First pair angle XYM, angle XYM and angle MYZ, because MYZ and XYM, Y is a common vertex and YM is a common arm of these two different angles. First second pair angle XYM, we take this angle XYM and write another name pair angle MYN. MYN. In these two angles, MY is a common arm. Third pair angle XYM, we take XYM is a constant angle. Third pair and second angle of adjacent of this angle, angle MYL. MYL. Third pair angle XYM and angle XYW. XYW, that is a fourth pair of adjacent angle. Now we see another pairs. Second part, we take common arm YN. So first angle MYN and angle NYL. YN is a common arm. YN is a common arm. Next angle MYN and angle MYW. YN is a common arm. Third angle MYN and angle WYZ. WYZ. MYN WYZ. These are not adjacent pair. Pair number 3, these are not adjacent pair because of WYZ and MYN. These are different angles with different arms. So third pair is not adjacent pair. Third pair is not adjacent pair. Means when we write pair of adjacent angle, we observe there one arm must be common arm, vertex must be common vertex of two different angles in a pair. Got it? In this third pair is second pair, second pairs, first pair, second pair and third pair is not adjacent pair of this in this figure. Got it? So student, observe figures carefully, understand interior points, in exterior portion, exterior points, arms of angle, arms on the points on the arms. Next we learn pairs of adjacent angle. When we write pairs of adjacent angle, first we observe in the figure which arm is common arm of two different angles, which vertex is common vertex, and in this figure two interiors are different with common arm. Observe carefully, watch figure carefully. Any doubt, call me anytime. Thank you.